So here are the suspension bushes on the Fiesta. It's quite a common problem. They've both gone. Just going to get a lever bar to show you what they do. You can hear that squeaking. It's got excessive play in it, and the customer's complaining about the noise when he's driving up the road. bushes are now done. Just going to do the squeak test again. There you go, no more squeaks. And this was the worst bush. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of Arik replacing these rear trailing arm bushes. I think the hardest part of this job was getting the back wheels off. The locking wheel nut key was primarily destroyed, the wheels were over tightened. It was more challenging than the actual job itself. These bushes can be quite stubborn to get out, but thankfully we've got tools that helps us do the job a lot easier. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified next time I upload a video. Take care guys.